Want to use wide angle on Snapchat on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Well, you need to start by heading over to application Snapchat. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Also, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once the camera opens, now if you want to click it on wide angle, all you gotta do is simply zoom out the screen with the help of your two fingers. And there you go, the wide angle has been activated. Now you can click the photo or the video as per your need. And if you zoom back in, it will be back to normal angle. So all you gotta do is zoom out the screen and enable the wide angle. Click on this button in order for you to take the picture. And there you go, the picture has been taken with the wide angle. You can save the photo by clicking on this icon at the bottom left corner. So there you go. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.